One of the most important things in your skincare routine that is often overlooked is cleansing. Cleansing is super important. My motto here at Art of Skincare is that cleansed skin drinks more nutrients. So if you're gonna go out and buy wonderful serums for your skin, wonderful moisturizers, but you're not using the proper cleanser or you're not cleansing twice per day, you are really limiting the benefits that you're going to get from your great skincare products. So there are some essential things that you need to know about cleansing. One is that cleansing is the most important step in rehydrating the skin. Many people with dry skin think, oh, I'm just going to use water because my skin's really dry. Well, you're actually doing a disservice to your skin. Your skin needs to be cleansed twice a day. We want to break that surface tension of the skin with a good, gentle cleanser. And that way your skin can absorb and rehydrate and get moisturized. Super, super important. The other great aspect of cleansing is the massage that goes with cleansing. You really need to massage your skin for a solid 2 minutes while doing your cleansing routine. That's what's going to help move lymph through your skin. It's going to help move the interstitial fluids where the hyaluronic acid lives in your skin, where collagen regenesis happens, cellular renewal happens, all in those interstitial fluids. And you've got to be doing that massage twice per day if you're going to want to see great results and a really healthy, radiant skin. I have so many clients that reach out to me after learning how to do my cleansing routine that say it's a complete game changer. Their skin has never looked so good, so plump, radiant, healthy as when they started using this routine. So I just really want to encourage you to stay tuned, and I'm going to show you how to do my morning cleansing routine.